I just have a half hour to take the cylinder off, and I just put the engine in the rack and then take off the manifolds, and then this one, camshaft, everything take off, and then I can take off the cylinder head and go to the repair. Everything is open. Now I need to take it off, but I need 2 hands for that because I can't feel it now. Before taking off that chain dimming, that means I need to take it in the 0 place in the engine. Yeah, it's here now. Then I can take the camshaft off, change everything, and then I can open the head bolts. In this plate there's no wheel, there is only bolt and the wheel head. Just tighten it because we don't have any wheel, and there is bolt, not wheel. Ha ha ha. There are some scratches with the wheel, but you see that bolt here? We tighten it because this valve is broken, but it holds. It's not good, but it works. Then we can say it's not stupid when it works. Everything's neat. Also, it looks very nice. This is Athena O-rings with the head gasket. Yeah, everything is good.
Well driven.
Yeah, and it'll have all the right bits underneath it. Ilya is an all or nothing driver. He's one of them. We saw him yesterday. He really just throws caution to the wind. It either works or it doesn't work.
Yeah.
He's come off of zone 1 there, but Valida is chasing him down. He's got relative good proximity, transitions across. This is where so many of them make mistakes. And let's go. And there we go. Look, big area in the chase there. He was committed. There was no grip, and it just washed him out.
But look at the rain. That is really back with a vengeance. This is the wettest run yet. So for the Ukraine, Ilya gets very sideways up through this 12-13 turn section of the full racetrack. Estonia, Ayovida doing the chasing on this run.
I'm saying it's all, if it goes wrong, it's going to be in zone 2.
All right, well, here we go. Then the green flag drops. The BMW doesn't exactly rocket away. In fact, Ilya virtually has to wait for it. Now he accelerates away. So, again, it looks like it's advantage Nissan, but let's see, because now the worsening weather might catch them out. Ilya very sideways through that first corner. Now they have to transition. Certainly one wheel off from Estonia. Cones go flying down now towards the second corner. Yeah, and here comes Ilya. He knows there's no grip there, plays it sensible. He may be well aware, Spot may have told him how much of a mistake was when he was leading. He's got a good advantage, and he may just be going, yeah, it was a slight mistake. He's still there, he's got relative proximity, just drops off a little bit here through 5 and 6, but he's not that far away. So